We are pleased to show you the 2019 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, remote vehicle start, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, Sirius XM radio, fog lights, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.